Have you ever paused to wonder what the world of tomorrow might look like? Well, that future is unfolding right in front of us, powered by incredible inventions that were once only figments of the wildest imaginations. Today, we're going to delve into 8 of these groundbreaking technologies. First up is three-dimensional printing, a technology that is already transforming industries from healthcare to manufacturing. This isn't just about printing small trinkets, but constructing entire buildings, creating human organs, and even food. The key takeaway here is that 3D printing is democratizing production, making it possible for anyone to manufacture anything, anywhere. Next on our list is the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. This technology connects everyday devices, from your fridge to your car to the internet, creating a network of smart objects. The IoT revolution is about more than just convenience. It's about creating smart cities, optimizing industries, and even saving lives with real-time data-driven decision-making. Now let's talk artificial intelligence, or AI. It's not just robots and self-driving cars. AI is everywhere, from the recommendation engine on your favorite streaming service to the voice assistant on your smartphone. AI is not just about automating tasks, it's about augmenting human capabilities, providing us with insights and efficiencies we could only dream of before. Fourth on the list is genome sequencing. This technology is reading the very code of life, our DNA. It's not just about understanding our ancestry or predicting our risk of disease. Genome sequencing is transforming medicine, enabling personalized treatments and even offering the promise of curing genetic diseases. Next up be renewable energy technologies. These are not just about reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. They are about creating a sustainable future where energy is clean, abundant, and accessible to all. Solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles are just the tip of the iceberg. The real game changer here is energy storage technologies like advanced batteries that can store renewable energy for use when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Quantum computing is the 6th technology on our list. This isn't just about faster computers. Quantum computing is about solving problems that are currently impossible for classical computers to handle. It promises to revolutionize fields like cryptography, optimization, and drug discovery. Coming in at number 7, we have virtual reality, or VR. This technology is about more than just immersive gaming. VR is about experiencing anything, anywhere, anytime. It's transforming education, training, therapy, and even social interaction. Finally, we have the internet. It may seem commonplace now, but this technology has revolutionized our world in ways we are still grappling with. The internet is not just about connecting computers, it's about connecting people, ideas, and opportunities. It's the backbone of the digital age, enabling all the other technologies on this list. So there you have it, 8 technologies that are shaping the future. Each one is not just an invention, but a revolution in its own right. Each one promises to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The future is not just coming, it's already here.